bodo zavidali še 5 sekund do pričetka, 5 sekund do začetka.
Minuli konec tedna se je v Radizelu zbralo 72 motokrosistk in motokrosistov iz 21 držav, ki so se pomerili v dirkah razreda MX3 in VMX. Ženske so v Sloveniji na tekmi za svetovno prvenstvo nastopile prvič. V nedeljo pa se je na prizorišču zbralo okoli 5000 obiskovalcev. Organizator AMD Orehova vas je takoj varno izpeljal že 41. tekmo svetovnega prvenstva. Po sobotnih kvalifikacijah se je v finalu moške konkurence pomerilo tudi 6 slovenskih predstavnikov. Najboljši rezultat pa je dosegel Sašo Kragelj, ki je bil 7. Veliki zmagovalec dirke je postal švicarski dirkah Julien Bill, medtem ko je v ženski konkurenci slavila Nemka Stefanie Laier.
Yeah, I came here and I saw that the track looks very nice. So yesterday it went everything very good for me, so it was not really so tough. But this morning I woke up and had the same problem like I had in Slovakia, because I had problems with my left shoulder, what I injured last year in Famo. My start was pretty good, but then I could not find my rhythm because I took a very bad line, so the first 8 minutes was just surviving. And then after 10 minutes I found my rhythm and I saw that I could close the gap. So in the last lap I just thought now or never, and yeah, I could take over the lead for the last 50 meters, and yeah, it was pretty good. Yeah, it was tough racing, but that I did win, it was, yeah, it's good for the championship. So in France I just don't make myself stress, and yeah, I don't need to win there. It's just, yeah, finish top 3 would be enough to be world champion there.
Yeah, you know, racing is always stressful. I mean, there is a championship going on, so you really need to be focused and do no mistakes. So this weekend was good. In the first race I had a good start, and then I passed Mickey after a few laps. And yeah, I just rode a consistent race. I just had some problems at the end with the lap riders. It's always the same problem, I think. You know, when we come back on the lap riders, we lose so much time with that. They don't move, they stay on the line, and yeah, that's the thing I'm not so happy with. But yeah, it's the same for everybody. And then the second race, I got a good start. I was second behind Milko, and I had a good line down the hill. I could pass him on the inside, and then I pushed really hard, you know, to get a gap quick. And yeah, then I just managed, you know, the gap until the end, and that was enough to get the win. So I'm really happy with that. Really happy with the points, the championship, the red plate, everything. But yeah, there is still one race to go in France, and I think, you know, Milko is going to be really motivated because France is his home. So I will have to take care of that, but yeah, I have some advantage points, so we'll see how it goes.
Prireditve se je udeležil tudi minister za promet Patrik Vlačič, ki je podelil pokale najboljšim in je tudi nagovoril obiskovalce.
Lep pozdrav v tem prevročem, prekrasnem dnevu tukaj v Reki v vasi, na že kar, če sem prav razumel, 41. tekmi za svetovni pokal. Veliko športnega duha vam želim, čim več sence, ker očitno to je danes nujno, da lahko sploh spremljamo to tekmo. Veliko športnega duha in eno prekrasno zadnje tekmo.
Julien Bill, štartna številka 2 v vodstvu, na drugem mestu Milko Podisek.